out here to sunny California because they're launching their new A6400. Now, as of last night, we had no idea what this camera was going to be. There was some rumors, but we didn't know what to expect. And now that we got it in our hands, what do you think, Dave?
Well, I think they've done a really nice job with this camera. For its price point, we're looking at just over 1,200 bucks Canadian, I think, for this.
Yeah, 1,250.
So a few things they've really done and they're really emphasizing is the continuous tracking focus, and this is really cool. So we've seen great eye control focus from Sony in the past. Now this new tracking focus, it locks on a subject, doesn't matter what it is, and it uses a whole bunch of different parameters to follow that subject.
Now, we had a chance to test it with basketball as well as some skateboarders in inner San Diego, and I have to say that I'm really happy with some of the results that I got. Now, once we get the animal eye detection, that's where I'm really excited to see the results of what this camera can do.
But this continuous tracking is really nice.
Yeah, now it's a little bit odd that they went with the 6400. Now this model is going to sit below the 6500 and it's not going to have in-body image stabilization. It will have the new advanced technologies that we'll see in some of the full-frame bodies. We're seeing the same battery, the W battery, that gets you about 410 shots for CEPA rating if you're shooting with LCD screen.
Yeah, now speaking of LCD screen, they did add a different twist to this one.
Yeah.
So now it twists up and out, but fully over. So you're into doing selfies, this is going to help you out a little bit, although it's directly in front of the hot shoe, where if you want to put a microphone on for vlogging, you're going to have troubles. And let's say you want to listen to yourself vlogging.
Yes, you don't have a headphone jack. Now, if you are doing vlogging, you'll be happy to know that you can shoot 4K with full sensor readout. It has a lot of great video features, including continuous tracking autofocus while you're shooting video. So we'll be testing this camera all week long. We'll give you guys a full comprehensive review later on to let you know our full thoughts on it. But for now, let us know what you think of this new announcement by commenting below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can check out our next video.